right, guys, we're going to look at chapter 7. And in chapter 7, we did compose and decompose numbers from 11 through 19. And compose and decompose means to make and take apart. We already did that for numbers 0 through 10. So now we're going to do it with our teen numbers. So we're going to do our check my progress page, and then we'll do our performance task. Okay, so let's take a look at number 1. It says count the objects and then draw more to show the number 11. So let's count how many we have first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 and we want to try to get to 11. So we're going to count up from 8 and I'm going to draw some buttons. So we have 8, 9, 10, 11. And we can do some little circles in there to make it look like a button. Okay, I'm gonna count them again just to double check and make sure I have 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, let's look at this one. We have the number 15, and what it says to do is to color the boxes in the 10 frames to show the number 15. All right, let's see, I'm gonna use my pen and just draw some circles in there. So we know if we fill up one full 10 frame, how many do we have? 10. So let's start by filling up that 10 frame. So we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So that is our 15 in the 10 frames. If I were to fill up this whole 10 frame, how many would I have? 20. We would have 10, 20, but we just wanted to do the number 15. Okay, let's take a look at this part right here. It says, count 10 and color the objects red to show 10. So let's do that first step. Count 10, so we know our full 10 frame right here is 10. So let's color these little, I think they're yogurt cups. 10 red. Okay, and then it says to write the number underneath it right here. So we have 10 red, so I'm gonna put our number 10 right here. And then it says color the objects in this 10 frame yellow. And then we're gonna count how many and put that number right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 10 and 4 more is how many all together? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we have 14 all together. All right, let's take a look at the back side. Okay, so for these, we're gonna do the same thing on all of them. We're gonna count how many is in this 10 frame, put that number here. How many is in this 10 frame, put that number here. And then we'll trace over this number to show how many all together. All right, we have one full 10 frame, so we'll put our number 10 right here. 1, 2, 3 spaceships right here. So 10 and 3 more is 13. Let's look at these little aliens. One full 10 frame, so we'll put our 10 here. 1, 2 right here. And 10, 11, 12. So we have 12 all together. So 10 and 2 more is 12. And let's take a look. Looks like our red marker kind of came through the paper a little bit, but we can still see it pretty good. These are some globes. So we have 10 right here, our full 10 frame. How many is in this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 and 5 more is 15. And I know you guys remember how to do this. You guys did pretty awesome when we did that in class. All right, let's quickly look at this performance task that we did at the end of chapter 7. All right, it says count 10, color the objects orange to show 10. So we got our little pumpkins, and we're gonna color 10 pumpkins orange. Okay, and then it says to write the number underneath it. So we filled up one full 10 frame, we'll put our 10 here. And then it says to color the rest of these pumpkins green. So, color these guys green. Let's count how many. 1, 2. 10 and 2 more is how many all together? 12. 1 and a 2. Right, and the back side. Say the number, trace it, circle the group of chicks that show 10. Okay, let's do those first 2 steps. So this is the number 15, we're gonna say it, and then we're gonna trace it, a 1 and a 5, and then circle the group of chicks that show 10. So this is our full 10 frame, shows 10, and then it says to write the number underneath it. And then it says, circle the group that shows some more. Here's the rest of them. How many's here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so 15 is 10 and 5. So we took that number apart. A group of 10 and a group of 5 is 15. All right, and our last one down here. Count 10, color the leaves red to show 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right, so we have one full 10 frame right here. We'll write the number 10 underneath it. All right, and then it says, color the other leaves yellow to show how many more. Let's get our yellow. I know it's kind of hard to see. Let's see. Oh, let's see a little bit better when I color it in. And we'll see how many yellow ones we have. We almost filled it up. All right, let's count how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 10 and 9 more is 19. All right, guys, so that was all of chapter 7. All right, keep practicing.